Henry's how to is I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti carbonara. Let's get straight into it.
Alright guys, so the first thing we'll do is work on our pasta. So just into a pot here, I've got about 5 litres of water. To this we'll add a tablespoon of salt. And I'm just going to add in about 300 grams of spaghetti. And all we want to do is boil our spaghetti for about 10 to 12 minutes. We don't want to overcook it, we still want it to be al dente. Because I'm going to do this with bacon. Now traditionally pancetta is used, but more commonly these days bacon is used. Obviously it is much cheaper. So what we're going to do is just slice this into thin strips. Alright guys, so we'll make our actual sauce now. So just into a bowl here, we're going to crack in 3 whole eggs. And to our eggs we'll add in half a cup of cream. And we're just going to start whisking this together. So once that whisks together nicely, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. And we're going to mix that together too and get everything well combined. Okay, let's move on. So guys, we're timing this that by the time our bacon's ready, our pasta will be ready. So just into a large pan on a medium to high heat, we'll start by adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your oil gets nice and hot, we'll add in our bacon. And all we want to do is fry our bacon until it's nice and brown and just a touch crispy. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 12-minute mark now, and look at that, our spaghetti's ready. So what we're going to do is go ahead and drain this now, but we'll save about 2 tablespoons of our pasta water. Alright, our bacon's getting nice and crispy guys, so at this point I add in 1 tablespoon of butter. And we'll also add in 2 crushed garlic cloves. Let's mix that together. And I'm going to add in all of our spaghetti. Let's season this with about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of cracked pepper. So at this point I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sliced spring onions. And guys, we're going to add in all of our sauce, just like that. Guys, the trick here is to not scramble it. We just want to cook our sauce. So we'll do that by just tossing it up and down like that. Let's mix that through and let's serve. So this will get you enough for about 2 people, maybe even 3, depending on how hungry you are. And we're going to finish this off with some shaved parmesan on top. And of course we'll add some chopped parsley on top for that final touch.
Okay guys, and that's my take on spaghetti carbonara. So a bit more modernized than the original, but still just as good. Just look at that. That is actually so good. So I really miss having my Italian restaurant, but now I appreciate pasta more because I don't make it every day. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.